Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, we are going to do another unboxing of another MiniGT model. And for today, we are going to unbox Chevrolet Corvette Stingray in Sebring orange tint coat. And this one is the series or item number 227 from MiniGT. And before we proceed further, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button and press the bell button for notifications so you can be updated of our upcoming videos or another unboxing. So let's go. Let's begin to unbox this new model. So this model was released for pre-order last May 13, 2021. And as we do the unboxing, this is covered in thin plastic cover, so box may be protected from dust or other scratches. So this one is the model, item number 227, MiniGT logo, and the Corvette sports logo, and the warning signs for a collector, which is valid for ages 14 and up. And this is from True Scale Miniatures Limited from Hong Kong, China. And then at the back is the barcodes and then the holographic stickers. So let's begin. So this model is placed in a nice plastic to further protect itself when transporting or during delivery. So you can notice the orange color. So and another reminder, don't remove the model from the plastic protection holding this portion, the spoilers, as it is may be made more of plastic and or thin metal. So here, let's have a quick look. A bit of a bright orange. So as you can notice, wheels have this silver linings on the outside, and somewhat kind of star shape. And then you can notice the windshield, which is its end somewhat close to the middle portion of the front wheels. See, for its aerodynamics. And let's start from the bottom. So this one, it says this 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, which is used under license by MiniGT. And then another noticeable feature is rear wheels is bit wider than the front wheels, and it is made with rubber, and it's movable. And on the side, you can notice these side scoops, which this front portion will go along when you open the front door, or the only door from the left. See, then the gas tanks, not noticeable, and somewhat I like the panel lines of this model. And then as you can see, the side skirts is was made in black trims, and it's made with plastic. And then we'll see closely the side mirrors has this slight design, and it's made with rubber, bit movable. And windows has bit of black trims, and then paint is bit shiny. And up front, this one you can easily notice from the front windshield that it is a left-hand drive model. Then the dashboard, you can notice with its design, and the drive wheel is somewhat hexagonal in design. And then hood, it has a nice trim and somewhat stealthy in design. And then the headlights is made with plastic. And then the Corvette logo, very much noticeable. See, and the front bumpers is a bit clear, but it is made with plastic, unlike from previous review. And see, front lip is also made with metal. Then on the side, see the design, you can notice somewhat stealthy. And then this scoops, side scoops. And then moving to the back, the word Corvette is very much readable. Then the logo, and then the mufflers, somewhat silver metallic in design. And then the rear bumper, rear lip, and then this rear design is also made with plastic. Rear view lights, rear lights is somewhat resembles to those made in LED. And then the spoiler is a bit made of plastic, so be careful not to damage this part, and be careful when holding it. And then, and by the way, this model is a mid portion. It has a mid portion engine. And then this is the engine cover, and then the design of its roof is well made. I like the design of this some panel lines, because of this removable, somewhat removable design. of its roof. Not quite sure if it's removable. So that's it, guys. We made another review, and don't forget to place your order at your nearest distributor and add this model into your collection. And hope you like this short review of this model, this MiniGT Chevrolet Corvette Stingray in Sebring orange tint coat. Another collection. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video.